guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, amount, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, it's a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and booking numbers on Bangla Road by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 6.4, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings and activities of homes and enjoy your stay. 7 days and hours are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and policy. And you can so the link provided in the description. For more details, please read the description subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not